My name is Edna Golandsky. As the co-founder of the Taubman Institute and the Golandsky Institute, I have been sharing the Taubman approach with pianists worldwide for many years. Now, after decades of studying, teaching, and furthering this body of knowledge, I'll be releasing a comprehensive, first-of-its-kind book on the subject. For those of you who are new to this work, the Taubman approach is based on the principle of coordinate motion that is fundamental to all movement practices. Starting from the very first lesson, one learns the correct alignment of the fingers, hand, and forearm, and then the proper positions and movements that allow them to move in a free and efficient manner. It shows how to play scales, arpeggios, trills, leaps, octaves, and chords, and produce sound of every kind with security and ease. This information also forms the basis for curing piano-related problems such as fatigue, tension, pain, and more. While this may sound too good to be true, it is all possible when good information is taught and practiced. My story with the Taubman approach started in the late 1960s while completing my graduate degree at the Juilliard School of Music. At that time, my teacher was encouraging me to go on to the DMA program and pursue a performing career. By all normal standards, I had a good and fluent technique and played musically. Yet I was aware of limitations in my playing and felt that certain pieces were beyond my capability. I thought that the fatigue I was feeling in my arms was totally normal, since many of my peers had one problem or another. The cure that was usually suggested was to practice more. When my roommate started studying with Taubman and could not stop talking about how much better her playing felt, I was intrigued and eventually went to watch a lesson. I was amazed that she could ask any question relating to passage problems and get an answer that made sense and solved the problem. Once I started studying with Dorothy, I became fascinated with her amazingly broad knowledge. I wanted to know everything there was to know. The approach made it clear to me why my arms felt tired at times, why I had backache from an early age, and what made certain pieces difficult. I never would have imagined that problems from playing the keyboard could extend to the wrist, forearm, upper arm, neck, shoulder, and back. As time went on, I gradually started to help others solve their problems. This gave me an immense satisfaction, which continues to this day. In the 1980s and 1990s, I taped Taubman's discoveries on 10 DVDs. Many thousands of these DVD sets have given pianists all over the world relief from the tension and pain and hope for a better future. Now I'm excited to announce the forthcoming publication of my new book, The Taubman Approach to Piano Technique, a comprehensive guide to overcome physical limitations and unlock your full pianistic potential. It offers a step-by-step guide to take you playing to a whole new level, complete with an entirely new library of video examples to accompany the book. The book will be released by Amplify Publishing Group. It will be available exclusively on my website this June and at online retailers such as Amazon and Barnes & Noble this August.